I gotta take a screenshot of Dave.
Exactly.
Dave, get back on that motorcycle.
Friends, more room to operate.
They will be moving onto rougher terrain. I'll be in touch. Nomad out.
He's freaking out, but on my screen, you're not even in the vehicle, Army.
Alright. Yeah, move up just a hair. There you go, right there.
For me, Army is showing up as being in the mountains still.
Yeah, in that helicopter.
Yeah. Were you down there in the tunnels with us?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It just happens sometimes. I've noticed it before.
Now they call it desync. It's when the game gets out of sync.
Like right now, nobody's driving, but I'm in this car.
Yeah. Alright, where are we off to? Oh, you could do the Sam Fisher missions, right?
Yeah, what time is it in game?
We still gotta wait.